Hi there, and welcome to the Enlightened Super Trader Education Weekly Market Update. I hope you had a great long weekend last week with Labor Day, and we started the 30-day Action Taker coaching program last Saturday with a boom. So, a great group, and I look forward to actually working with you for the next 30 days. Also, the trade results for August are currently up. Currently updating also with the past ones, but nevertheless, for August results, they're currently up in there. I'm gonna update it today. So far, based on we got basically 5 trades that are closed last week. So there's nothing existing at this point in time, and that's actually going to increase as well the win to lose ratio. But so far, total accumulated pips more than 2.5 or 2,500 basically pips. So that being said, a phenomenal basically month for August. Looking forward as well for September. Okay, if you have any questions or or trade alerts, or just simply fair value of $50 a month. Okay, let's go through look at the Dow Jones Industrials 30. And I just use the Dow Jones. It's very similar to anyway with the S&P 500, even though the S&P is the proper thermometer of the and gauge of the whole economy. All right, let's see. Looking at the monthly chart. So I stated basically last month or the end of the month last week simply that if the closing price is going to finish like this, then for price pattern traders, easy, you have a bearish engulfing pattern. What does it mean? It means simply that bears are way too stronger than the bulls itself from last week. So after all that energy that went to the upside above 15,500, they push it all the way back and create a lower low. Although, just for the caveat of it, we have a higher high of 15,658 compared to the previous month of 15,634, and hence within the range the bulls and the bears basically fought, but at the end of the day, the closing price, the bears pushed the price down. So what do we see at this point in time? Now it's only the second week of September. Yes, there is a probability that they're currently pushing it up to correct itself to create a high for the month. But don't be fooled. This could just be a short to medium correction before it may continue to go further to the downside as a medium to a bigger time frame of a correction. So that being said, let's have a quick look. So we were basically still stating that the first area of the corrective mode on a good level of demand is simply around the 14,551 and 14,435. And if I go through on the weekly chart, you can see here really good solid demand level. Last week, on the other hand, created a new pivoting point. So part of that minor correction, now the question would be, where is the price going to go if it chooses to correct itself from the top to the last bottom? Alright, and you can see here clearly around the 15,100 all the way to 15,002, maximum 15,300. If it chooses to go beyond 15,003, then the new viewpoint of the markets will continue to create a new higher high sometime in the long run. So yes, on a shorter term perspective, if I go through a daily chart, then within this week could be perhaps a very bullish week. Now depending on that, look at that, today is very bullish, can go all the way to 15,100 by tomorrow. Just looking at price itself, the bulls are currently way too strong, and equilibrium area around 50%, 15,002, maximum at 15,003. So for a my forecast, that if it will break this short-term primary downtrend, then yes, 15,001, then bullish by tomorrow, even pretty much perhaps for this week. But if it doesn't want to play around this level, then it's going to continue to go to the downside. All right, just to recap, short term bullish, medium term in terms of the weekly to head further, also very bullish, but longer term still bearish to a point where of that minor correction all the way perhaps around here. So but overall, on the very bigger picture of things, based on the monthly, then of course we are still in a bullish trend, whether we like it or not. All right, so that's my report for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck and keep making profits out there. And if you are intermediate or still in the learning, make sure to keep practicing. Take care until next time. Happy trading.